Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. The topic to be discussed for today is urbanization. So, what is urbanization? In this session, we will going to discuss what is urbanization, what is its meaning, what are its reasons, and its causes, and the solution what government provide to prevent urbanization. So, first of all, what is the meaning of urbanization? The meaning of urbanization is the movement of people from the villages or towns to the cities. It is not just about changing the place of living, but also adapting the changing environment and communicate with the various people who carries expertise in their own fields. And also, the main reason of urbanization is generally the cities offers more job opportunity, more employment opportunity, what villages or less developed towns fails to provide. And the cities generally carries better transportation facilities. Okay, that is the meaning of urbanization. So next is effects, or the effect is generally classified into two categories: positive effects and negative effect. So first of all, we discuss some of the positive effects of urbanization. So first positive effect is vast job opportunity. So in today's life, everyone wanted a good job to make their life sublime. That's a well organized city offer. It provides a lot of jobs. What people do and make their standard of living better. Next is better facility. Um, the city also provides various other facilities like road facility, sanitation facility, electricity facilities, which makes people's life comfortable. And the third point is cultural and social exposure. So a city is there is a lot of culture and diverse people live in the city. So if a people live in the city, then he will explore a lot of culture and social things. Next is economic growth. There is a common line that if a small part of the country grow, then it equally or highly contribute to the economy of the country. So that is explained here. Economic growth, if city which is primarily a small part of country, if that grows, if a lot of people work in that area, then it will contribute to the economy of the country in whatever the country the economy the employment is take place. So next is negative effects. The first negative effect is overcrowding. It is a main problem, overcrowding. If a lot of people gathered in one area, then the city will be overcrowded, which is a major limitation. Then is pollution. So the pollution is various types: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. So if a lot of people gathered in one area or in a small geographical area, then they will use the resources hugely, which causes the pollution. Or next is unemployment. So irrespective of how much bigger the city is, generally the job in that area is limited. In today's time, we see that a lot of people carry a single or common qualification, so the job for them is also limited. Likely in India, everyone is doing BTech, so the job for them is also limited. So a city fails to provide employment to everyone. So after a certain time, the jobs get over and many people remains unemployed. And last is pressure on resources. So the resources in the city is also limited. So if we waste it time and time and time, then after a certain time, then it will become over. Okay, these are the causes of unemployment. Next is solution. So after we discuss the positive and negative effect, it is important to know what solution that government should make to prevent or to stop the urbanization. So government should provide better facilities in that villages area, like they should provide electricity, because in villages the electricity fluctuates many times, which deem people to move into the cities. And next and most important point is providing employment. So that is the basic reason for which people move to the cities. If government provides employment to the people living in the cities, then they will not move to the sorry, people to the villages, then they will not move to the cities unnecessarily. So for this, government makes certain schemes. Out of these, most popular ones are Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana, which is passed or which is implemented in 2020 after the COVID-19 pandemic, in which the government provides rozgar or employment to the people who are unemployed. And the another scheme is MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which is passed in 2005 and come into existence or implemented in February 2006, which provides employment guarantee to the people live in the village areas. So that's all about the topic. Thank you.